Hey guys, so just a heads up that this video was recorded sometime last year, so that's why you'll see that it's a different setup. I look different, I have a different hairstyle. The reason I didn't get time to release this video last year was because, you know, just life got busy, studies got in the way as well, and I just didn't have time to upload. And so now that I've got the time, I have time to edit, I figured that since I've already made this video, since I already filmed it, that I figured that some people can still benefit from this video. So that's why I decided to release it now. Hey guys, James here, back with another video, and today I have this. This is the Zoom H1 recorder. Now, you might think, okay, everyone's got videos on these, why am I doing unboxing? And it's because this is the white edition. So it's special in that sense. Now, why did I get a white edition? So I film weddings, and the thing is with weddings, you want to make it that it's not so intrusive, right? And so sometimes you want to put a recorder on the table to capture, you know, the bride and groom in there, or maybe just some atmosphere, but you know, you've got this black recorder on a white table, and that doesn't look nice at all. So what you can do is you buy one of these, a white recorder, and everything is good, and you're not disrupting the aesthetics. You know, some people are very particular about that, and so yeah, that's essentially why I bought this. So I bought this from Japan. Obviously you can see it's all in Japanese, so we don't need to read that, but the main purpose of this video is not to really showcase the Zoom H1 itself, but mainly the color and what it looks like and my impressions of it. It's definitely going with a black and white theme. You can see it's white, it's got the black here, black accents, the black accents on the side. Now, honestly, I would have preferred if they just went with the gray, kind of like this, not necessarily black. I think it just kind of ruins it, I guess. For me, on a practical level, the reason I got white was because, you know, I don't want it to stand out on a wedding table. Everything is exactly the same. You have your three buttons here, your micro SD card flap, which is really difficult to open, the same. Line out, volume, your record, and stuff like that. So this is not a soft, it's a hard kind of shiny plastic. As you can see, it's not matte. It would have been interesting if they did a matte white. That would have been pretty cool. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to do a quick comparison with my current one. I'm actually using it to record. You can see this is the matte gray. They do have a shiny black kind of gray version. I prefer the matte just because it doesn't reflect as much, you know, when you're using it. But it's essentially the same, and instead of the all gray and black, kind of matching that same kind of color aesthetic, this is a high contrast black and white version. So I don't know. I don't know which one I kind of prefer. I think in general, I'm definitely going to be using this for my Atmos mics just because it's able to blend in a little bit more better with the rest of, you know, the wedding, I guess, because most wedding tables are white. It's definitely a good addition, and I needed another one anyway. So having a white one is good to have. But yeah, just a really quick video. Just wanted to show this white version. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Do you think it looks ugly with a high contrast black and white? Would you prefer just an all white version with maybe some very low toned gray? You know, not so high contrast. But yeah, that's it for this video. Just really quick, just wanted to show you what it looks like. I hope you liked it. Like it if you liked it, dislike if you disliked it. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or any comments about this particular product or anything else. Let me know what you think about this color. Are you digging it? Are you not digging it? Do you think it's good for weddings, not for weddings? Do you have one? Let me know why you bought one if you have one. I'll be interested to know. Subscribe to see more videos like this in the future, and I will see you guys in the next one.